Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jissa by Dr. Rana. Today on this channel, I am not making a video as a doctor. I am making a video just as Shruti, a young girl who loves makeup. Today we are diving deep into Blushland. Yes, blush blindness. I know you love blushes. I also love blushes. You can see my face, it is stained with blushes right now because I made this video to swatch all my blushes that I have in my collection. I have reviewed and shown all the shades that I use in my routines. Uh, sometimes, sometimes for a glam routine, sometimes for daily routines. Mostly these days, I'm not able to use anything because it, my college doesn't like all this. I'm a doctor. Understandable. From drugstore to high end, we are covering it all. I'll be rating these blushes out of 10 and I'll also mention their prices and I'll try to link all of them in my description box. Some of them are not available in India and most of them are. So I'll try to link them and you can definitely go and check them out. So let's begin. This is the most affordable blush that I own, the Swiss Beauty Grace Lip and Cheek Macaron in 04 Pink Jelly. This is a perfect blush for beginners, very affordable. For this price, the payoff is amazing, 10 on 10. Now we have the OG Etude Water Tint Lip and Cheek Stain in the shade Grapefruit Red. With this we have a problem that it stains very quickly, so it gets difficult for beginners. Like if you put dots and you put it on another cheek, it will dry out very fast and then gets difficult to blend, and you have to work very fast with this. It is highly pigmented, very good for lips, but like it gives those red dots, red marks on your cheeks. So I will give it like 4 out of 10. This is one of my most favorite tints, that is She Glam in the shade Cherry. It is a water based tint, again super nice tint, really good for beginners and even for like people with experience too. Blends like a dream. Look at that color. You can build it up as much as you want and it looks amazing, doesn't leave that patchiness. This looks super natural and this went viral for the absolute right reasons. 8 out of 10. Now we have the OG She Glam Love Cake Color Bloom Liquid Blush. Look at that applicator. It's the most comfortable thing ever. Blends like a dream. That color, oh my god, I feel like a marshmallow right now. And you can build it up as much as you want. This is just a beautiful blush. Everyone should have this in their kit. I will recommend this to you. 10 on 10 for the price point of view. The only drawback is it wears off very fast, so you have to put it a lot in the beginning. Ah, ruining my skin for you guys. See, this one was out of stock in every store for a very long time. This is Maybelline's Fit Me blush in the shade Passionate. When I bought this blush, the performance of this blush was out of this world. The color payoff and everything was fantastic. But as I'm reaching the end of the blush, it is not paying that well. But of course, the color is beautiful, so I will give a 6 out of 10. Of course, how can we skip a Korean blush, a Korean tint? This is Peri Pera's Ink Airy Velvet in 21. Again, a marshmallow pink, a baby Barbie pink, and looks beautiful on the cheeks, looks beautiful on the lips. I have literally reached the end of this bottle because I love it so much and I'm gonna order this again. It works every single time. This is Colourpop's Cheek Dew Serum Blush in the shade So Cosmo. Perfect, beachy, orangish terracotta blush. The packaging is a big problem. It comes out leaks. But one of my favorites in terms of color, blends well, pigments there, but sometimes this packaging just feels flimsy. 8 out of 10, maybe 7.5. No matter what I buy from K Beauty, it's just amazing. This should not be a drugstore brand, this should be a high end brand. This is K Beauty's Velvet Cream Multi Use Blush in the shade Tender. No words, just a big round of applause. Like, wow, what is this technology? Like, it's cream on the packaging and on your cheeks, it converts into a powder kind of a blush. Very easy to use. Pigment, pigment, pigment everywhere. 10 out of 10. Now we have one of my oldest blushes that I have when I started makeup. This is BH Cosmetics Vanilla Cherry Truffle Color Blush Palette. This has 4 blushes in it and I love all of them. This does smell like vanilla cake. It's just beautiful. Highly pigmented, beautiful palette. But I think now they don't make it anymore. If you find it, lucky you. I ordered it from UK. I don't think it's available in India. Every single color pops up and speaks for itself. Next we have Simply Nam's Blush Velvet Cream Magic Blush in the shade Partner in Crime Rosy Pink. What a beautiful blush. What a beautiful blush. I use a kabuki brush for this blush. When I bought it, it was highly pigmented, but now it is super old. So I think it has dried out. But any day I would go for Simply Nam's blushes. They are amazing. Little pricier. Like I will compare it with the OG Swiss Beauty Craze ones. This also works like that, but the quality, of course, is superior and makes you like a rich South Bombay or a South Delhi girl. 9 on 10. If you are a fan of looking like a sunburnt person, a sunburnt girl, then this blush is for you. This is Tower 28 Beach Please Power Hour Cream Blush. Highly pigmented, little difficult for beginners to use, and like if you take a lot on your brush, gets very difficult to blend, but really gives you that sunburnt look. If you're into dark shades, this is a perfect blush for you. But I think India has good blushes that are comparable to Tower 28 blushes. You can go for them. This is little pricey. Go for the Swiss Beauty one. Trust me. 6 on 10. Now we have something that is like, it is not even in the line of a competition. This is the winner. Nothing beats this. This is Benefits Benetint. I don't have words for it. It is 100 out of 10. Like, come on. Now we have the Nude Sticks blushes. I ordered the 3-in-1, the which has a blush, which has a bronzer, and which also has a highlighter. That kit. I really wanted to say this is luxury and it shows, but unfortunately it doesn't. It feels like I wasted my money on this product. It is super dry, difficult to blend. Color is nice, but really, like, for this much money, for 3500 rupees, you are giving me a blush which is dry, doesn't blend, makes me go insane. Like, my cheeks are paining while blending this. For the amount of trouble, for 3500 rupees, I am sorry, I will give it 3 out of 10. So that was my blush collection, reviewed price wise and obviously rated honestly. Let me know your favorite blush in the comment below, and if you liked this video, if you liked the blushes that I have shown you, do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. I am new to YouTube and I'll highly appreciate your support, and you can also write criticism in my comment section. I'm very much ready to improve on YouTube as well as on Instagram. I will also mention my Instagram link in the description box below. You can check out my page on Instagram. If you want a separate video where I compare the cream blushes, the tints and the powder blushes, each, like where should we use it, how should we use it, with foundation, with moisturizer, on dry skin, or bare skin, like how we are supposed to use the blushes. If you want such kind of a video, you can do comment in the comment section, and I will definitely try to make such a video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button so that you don't miss any future videos which I'll be posting on this channel. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.